What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I still have our Remint Witches backdrop up because I thought this would be a great time to take a look at my latest buy from Mia's Munchables. This is an Etsy shop that does occasional minis. They're usually seasonal. I often use them to stock Caroline's coffee shop from summer in Cali. This is the recent Halloween set for 2023. And each item is individually wrapped. And our first one is a chocolate donut with orange frosting and a spider web. And we have a candy corn milkshake in a glass. Well, it's plastic, but you know what I mean. We have another chocolate donut with green and purple frosting. How about a chocolate cupcake with green and purple frosting? Or a white cupcake with eyes? Bone cookies, a purple milkshake with a blackberry and a straw. And there's a little freebie pumpkin. We can totally mix these in with our Make It Mini Halloween items to have a nice little spread for a miniature Halloween party. And if we're going to a party, we might need something to wear. I got these for $18.99 on Amazon. It was listed as a 6-piece elf accessory set. We've tried elf on the shelf sweaters from Amazon with our Barbies before, and we do know that the neck is a little large. And I thought this one was screaming Wednesday Addams. We can totally use them as an off-the-shoulder oversized sweater on a classic Barbie. The sweater is kind of large, so you just have to play around with it. I think they fit pretty good on a curvy. The full ribcage design sweater might give some people a giggle, so be sure to check that out on Amazon first. However, with a little creative positioning, you can avoid some unwanted comments. Here's a black and orange sweater that says boo. This room is kind of dark. Let's move outside. All right, that's better. Yeah, I could totally see my curvy Barbies rocking these for Halloween. 6 for $18.99 comes out to be about $3.17 each. Oh look, and the purple goes all the way around. Speaking of purple, I picked up Rainbow High New Friends, Lilac Lane. I bought this doll at Target for $26.99. She's tall, y'all. On the back, we can see a few other new friends. Sorry, the box is all shiny. But I love her outfit, and I just had to get a closer look. Lilac is fashion design focused. How cute is this packaging with a little paperboard counter? I wonder if we can put this in the Rainbow High house. Honestly though, if they started to include paperboard furniture in the doll boxes, I would not be mad. It is pretty tall for a classic Barbie, which makes me wonder just how tall is the doll. Looks like she's a little over 11.5 inches, pretty close to 12. Here she is standing next to a Barbie. The Barbie has flat feet, the Rainbow High doll has heels, so she's definitely taller. However, when standing next to a Barbie with heels, Lilac is about the same height. Oh my goodness, Rainbow High, why did you do this to me? I've never been really excited about Rainbow High proportions, but for a playline doll, I think the clothing is kind of amazing. Lilac is giving me the Rainbow High fashion and a taller doll, which totally works for me. She has purple curly hair. It has a lot of bounce. It does have product in it, but I'm okay with it. She has sculpted and painted edges, inset eyes with eyelashes, glitter eyeshadow, a berry lip color. She wears a lilac sweatshirt with an attached collar and little gems glued to it, creating the look of a necklace. They're also at the bottom of the sleeves, and there's a little RH embroidered on the front. She wears a black and lilac plaid skirt with pleats. The pleats go all the way around, and the little gems go all the way around too. Yes! They are 2 separate pieces and Velcro in the back. The skirt has an underskirt She has white knee-high socks. She wears silver heels with purple gems. Lots of painted details there. She comes with earrings that are removable. The online listing for Target says that she is a tall, slender Rainbow High doll. She does appear to have a longer torso. This doll is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, upper thigh, double joint right there at the knee. Yes! I think Lilac just became my favorite Rainbow High doll. I might have to get another one just so we can dye her hair like a natural hair color. Hear me out. We have Rainbow High, we have Shadow High. How about Neutrals High, huh? Who's with me? Oh, am I the only one? Oh, but check out those nails. Somebody could use a manicure. Lilac comes with a purple doll stand, a comb, glasses, a lilac bag with silver painted details, a small journal with a molded lock. It can open, it's plastic. There's a purple pencil. The book can fit in the bag. She also comes with test tubes and a stand. The stand is shaped like an R, and the test tubes are removable. This is pretty comparable to the ones we got with the remint set in the Witch's House video. There's a flask with some purple stuff in it. The bottom does appear to be shattered on mine, but that's just my experience, and yours could be different. Her outfit fits a classic Barbie. The skirt is a little loose. Here it is on a curvy. However, I can't get it to close all the way in the back. The elf sweater is a little large, but I think with some light tailoring, it could totally work. Lilac's calves seem to be larger than a standard Rainbow High doll, but I was able to get this Shadow High skirt on. This Rainbow High t-shirt was an easy fit. However, this Shadow High top is barely holding on in the back. Personally, I would have loved for all of the Rainbow High clothes to have been compatible, since the fashion is the main appeal for me. Oh yeah, and here she is standing next to a classic Rainbow High doll for a little size comparison. New doll alert! Naturalistas has guys? From Naturalistas Fade collection, here is a celebration of cuts, community, and culture. Meet Greg. I saw this doll at Target for $12.99. However, he was on the Target app for $8.99, so I got a deal. On the shelves at Target, this doll was right next to the other Naturalista dolls. On the back of the box, it says, Greg is an LA native and former Hair Academy classmate to Dana. With a degree in business, Greg is the lead barber and owner of the Fade Collective Barbershop. Let's get this doll out of the box for a closer look. Dressed in a soft blue t-shirt that says Fade Collection Naturalistas across the chest, he has drab green pants with a wide elastic waistband. There is extra length at the bottom and they bunch a little. He comes with a pair of white shoes with painted details. They are split in the back, making it easy to place them on the doll. The shirt has Velcro in the back, and he comes wearing a bag across his chest. It says Fade Collection Naturalistas and has painted details. With shoes on, this doll stands a little under 12 inches. He has good rotation at the neck, has flocked hair that goes all the way around to the back, painted sides, large brown eyes, facial hair. This doll can move at the shoulder. We have some good rotation there. There is articulation at the elbow. His torso is a little wider than a Ken doll. The leg can move at the hip. However, the knee and ankle are stationary. This doll seems to be compatible with Ken clothes, but when he sits down in these shorts, the Velcro may give. My classic Ken can fit his clothes, including the shoes. I do enjoy seeing more options for the guys, and I hope that fashion packs are in his future. And increased articulation. Come on, you knew I was gonna say that. But But speaking of fashion packs, you all did say I needed to check out Hot Wheels Skate. These are skateboards that come with shoes. I've been told that the shoes can fit a Ken doll. I picked up a Star Wars themed board. The top says Hot Wheels and has grip, and it comes with some shoes. They're kind of squishy because they're made to fit your fingers. And the bottom of the shoe slides out so it can fit the board. So we can hang on to the board. Here are the shoes on a Ken doll. They are a little snug to me, but doable. And we get a similar fit with Greg. I was at Five Below and found the last two Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus 2. These are the Pocket Pop keychains, where I remove the keychain. We already had Winifred, and now we have Sarah and Mary that we can use as dolls for dolls in our miniature world. And of course, while I was there, I picked up Bitty Pop. These are super small Funko Pops that make perfect pops for dolls. Today we have Minnie Mouse. This surprise bag was $3.25. On the back, we can see all the characters we might find. And I gotta say, this is probably my favorite pop size ever. I got Minnie Mouse again, but she's different. Overall, I love that they are adding new heights and body types to Rainbow High. Lilac is totally a new fave. Etsy is worth checking out if you're having trouble finding holiday-themed Make-It minis. And I'm glad to see the guys getting a little attention. And I just found some new elf sweaters on Amazon that I can't wait to check out. Thank you for joining us for another random doll stuff video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Yeah.